Hi everyone, welcome to my course, Crawling the Web with Python and Scrapy. I'm a software developer, a data capture and business automation specialist. Scrapy is a free and open source web crawling framework written in Python. It was originally designed for web scraping, but nowadays it is mostly used for crawling websites. Web crawling or web spidering is the art of programmatically going over a collection of web pages and extracting data, which is a powerful way of extracting and working with data from the web. Using Scrapy, you can get data related to a set of products and get data from a site without an official API. Throughout this course, you will learn the fundamentals of scraping and crawling in order to extract data from websites. Some of the major topics we will cover include core concepts on extracting data from the web, scaffolding and running your first Scrapy web crawler project, achieving common spider behaviors using built-in classes, influencing Scrapy crawling, Scrapy outcome and data export, and finally watching these technologies and principles getting applied by creating our own Scrapy spiders with some very cool demos. By the end of this course, you'll know the basics of crawling the web with Python and Scrapy and be able to write code that uses it. Before beginning the course, you should have some good knowledge of Python, as well as being able to find your way around the latest version of Visual Studio Code. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn the ins and outs of crawling the web with Python and Scrapy at Pluralsight.